Join me as we prepare this delicious creamy brown rice hot cereal with fruits. We want to start off by turning on our stove. Then we want to add in 4 ounces of water, 2 cloves, 5 ounces of chopped peach, and 2 tablespoons of agave sweetener. So we want to stir, and then we want to time this for 10 minutes on medium heat. The only thing that will affect the dryness of the peaches, how quick the water dries up, is how sweet your peaches are or how hard your peaches are and how high your heat is. So I normally watch my heat, to be honest, and I normally, even though I time it for 10 minutes, I still watch the pot to see how the peaches are progressing. So even though I say 10 minutes, all depends on how high your heat is, and the texture of your peaches plays a role on whether they will finish quicker or not. In my first video, I said 20 minutes, but this time 10 minutes looks sufficient. So keep that in mind. So we'll be back. So the peaches are ready. They're nice and golden, as you can see. Now let's put together our creamy brown rice cereal. Turn on your stove, add in 4 ounces of fresh coconut milk, 7 ounces of prepped creamy brown rice cereal. If you just prepped it, all you have to do is add to pot and stir. But if you prepared it beforehand and it was stored in the refrigerator, you will need a slotted spoon to spread it out. Then let it heat for less than 10 seconds and it will be ready to serve. We are now plating. Fruits are totally optional, but I use 1 ounce of fresh bananas, 3 tablespoons of prepped peach, and 1 ounce of fresh blueberries. I also added some raspberries, hemp seeds, and I sprinkled some agave for additional sweetener. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.